To use Argus online map, you can directly select Map on the upper left corner or find it by clicking the button on the right. There are two map viewers available on the Argus website. Without an Argus account, you can still use the map viewer for simple mapping. Unlike Map Viewer Classic, new Map Viewer cannot analyze the map but can create charts for layers. If you would like to save your map, you must log in advance. In Map Viewer, there are two panels. One is for adding layers, base map, bookmark, and save the map. On the opposite side, it is used for altering properties, appearance of the layer, or using map tools including distance and measurement. After adding a layer, you can rearrange the order by dragging it up or down like this. To change color, size, or shape of a layer, you can click the layer to select it, then click Style on the right toolbar. Besides, you can configure the pop-ups by clicking Pop-ups. Select Fields to select which fields you would like to keep. Then click Done. You may also add content such as text to add a short description about the attribute. After that, click OK and it will be shown on each pop-up. In addition, you can create charts for your layers in the new map viewer. Click the layer to select it and click Configure Charts. Click Add Chart and select a chart type you would like. Then, select Data and choose a category, for example, Provision of Shelter Seating. Now, you may notice that most of the pop-up open space have now provided shelter seating. Another is Group, which you can create groups for your layers. To do this, you can select three dots on the right and click Add to New Group. Rename the group and click the dots of the other layer. Select Move to Group. To put it in the group you would like to add in and click OK. To separate the layers from group, select the dots and choose Remove from Group to detach it. If you finish the map, select Save to keep the map for your own. On the other hand, in Map Viewer Classic, you can find most of the tools that we have used on the top, including direction, measurement, and bookmarks. After adding the layers, you can select Details and go to the Content page to show table or change style of the layer. To rearrange the order, simply drag it up or down just like what we did in the Map Viewer. To configure pop-ups, you can click the dots, choose Configure Pop-up, and Configure Attributes to select which fields you would like to keep. You can also customize the pop-ups by choosing a custom attribute display and click Configure. Type what you would like to display on the pop-up, then click OK. Just randomly click a symbol and here it is. Finally, select Save or Save As on the top to save the map.